I think I know this girl.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I've seen her. Not that I know her, but I've seen her post.
I've been to Koreama many a times too. Because I like the train station there. They have a lot of things that Fukushima does not have.
Yeah, we have Kaldi, we have Jupiter, you know.
Well, I was talking more like Lush and
okay. Alright, okay. Okay, yeah, Lush.
Okay, guys. Decided to come on top of the mountain to go snowboarding. I'm gonna fall on my ass, but you know, I won't be able to take a lot of footage today because the last time my friend did this, it was too cold and her fingers, like, you know, they got them chop up. The cold chop it up and you know that. So yeah. But let we go.
Okay,
all right.
So Cornelia.
Yes.
Yeah! This is extreme! What is this?
Yeah, there you go.
I stick it.
You got it!
Everybody say yo! Yo! This is mad! I've never been on anything like this.
Yeah, it's so mad. It is incredibly slow. You did it! For Nanny of the Maroons! She fought hard! Woo. Hi, Kevin. Hi. Yeah! How do you feel? Tired. We just got started. Tired, but you can do it. The slaves got no break. Except at night. We can do it. That killed me from the first drop.
Oh yeah?
Guys, everybody's up except me. Yeah, don't worry.
It's alright. Kevin was that good last week, you know? Kevin was that good last week.
Like 10 minutes to get
That was Kevin last week and that was Honika today.
What are you going or you?
Come on.
Don't get angry with yourself.
Yeah, don't.
Hey!
Yeah! Oh! My problem!
You did it, girl. You know what? Now you can stop snowboarding. You done it. You did it.
Yeah, we can go home now.
Now you can go home. You done. You know?
Oh no, Honika's letting the side down. This isn't gonna look good on your vlog.
Oh my god, you're
In the video, yes.
Yeah, you look like pro. You got straight up. Honika looks like a man. Come on. Yeah. I remember this actually. I'd forgotten about not being able to get up.
I know, right? For me, it was just Brendan because he's the one who like told me, and he left me and said, "Hey, just these are the basic things."
Yo, my SD card doesn't have this much footage. Come on. Yeah, it does. Just get up. Yeah.
Get up, then up.
Fly your eyes. Yeah.
Get up.
Jesus.
Get up.
Yeah, that's it. That was pro. Boom. Hey. Yeah. Oh yes. Nice. That was cool.
So how hard I fell. My Apple Watch was like making a sound I've never heard before. So I looked at it and it was like, we see that you've taken a hard fall. Do you want us to call emergency or are you okay? Like, I am dead, yo. This snowboarding shit is
Important. Yo! Kevin in the building. Nelia, Ayamin. So I have a question for these people. Like, what y'all doing here snowboarding? Yeah, you know, representing for the ancestors.
peer pressure.
Yeah, they never get a chance to do
Nanny took a
this.
bullet for me, okay?
Amen. Sun shop, big up yourself. Proud boy, go straight up. You know what I mean? Eh?
Now, what are you guys going?
This is Moja, South Africa.
So who wants to go again?
Oh yeah.
What do you want to do?
Look at my mess, people. Like,
I'm gonna go and sing it.
Yeah,
I'll
okay.
catch up with you guys later.
Yeah, man, do your thing, mate.
But hey, she said she won't be going up. I'm like, there's no way you can come here.
But you're gonna have to. Yeah, you have to go. You gotta go up. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go up. That's what I said.
Y'all, I just done it. Nanti ba say mid osi moja de. Guys, me get a drop on my chest. My breast boom off the ground. Yeah, I tell them I feel like somebody shoot me on my chest. I never get shot. My nose was red and I'm a black person. It was fun, but I'm telling you, oh, there's Moja. Whew. Alright, food time. It's Moja and Hanukkah. Thought I was gonna die on that hill. Damn. I am tired. Koreama festive bad.
And the festivals as well. It's a pity you missed them because of Corona. Usually they will parade.
Yeah, I missed all of that.
Me need to check my train. Me need to catch my train on my day I record. Okay, let me go. Koreama festive bad. Damn. I am so sore from snowboarding, guys. It's ridiculous. I love this station so very much. Should I just walk in here? Probably no. Just go inside here. I don't know this entrance that well though. Okay, I'm gonna try and catch a train. Shinkansen gate. I love Lush. I'm just buying a little lip scrub. And then I'm heading home. But yeah, I love Lush. Okay, I'm about to go on the Shinkansen. And get home. Inside of the Shinkansen. It's usually empty rather than the local train.